Welcome to the Advanced Agile Masterclass. This course is designed to provide expert-level techniques and insights for experienced Agile practitioners. In this masterclass, we'll cover adaptive methods, scaling frameworks, metrics and analytics, and strategies for building team excellence. Now, let's delve into what sets apart an advanced Agile practitioner. It starts with a specific mindset. Key principles for advanced practitioners include embracing uncertainty as a catalyst for innovation, as unexpected challenges often lead to creative solutions. Optimizing for flow, not just resource utilization, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. Balancing technical excellence with tangible business outcomes, making sure that technical improvements translate into business value. Cultivating psychological safety within the team. This encourages open communication, risk-taking, and true agility. As organizations grow, scaling Agile becomes crucial. Several frameworks can help large organizations implement Agile effectively. Let's look at the leading frameworks for large organizations. The first one is Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe. SAFe provides a comprehensive approach with predefined roles, ceremonies, and artifacts for enterprise-scale implementation. Large-scale Scrum or less is a minimalist framework focused on scaling Scrum principles, with fewer organizational changes. Nexus serves as an integration framework for 3 to 9 Scrum teams working on a single product with shared dependencies. Moving beyond basic velocity metrics is essential for advanced Agile practitioners. We need to measure what truly matters. Important metrics to consider are cycle time and lead time, which measure the actual delivery speed from concept to customer value realization. Flow efficiency is the ratio of active work time to total elapsed time, revealing process bottlenecks. Deployment frequency indicates how often code changes reach production, which is a key indicator of technical agility. As an example, consider calculating cycle time in JavaScript with this function. Technical excellence is a cornerstone of sustainable Agile delivery. Let's discuss engineering practices for sustainable delivery. Continuous integration and continuous deployment is an automated pipeline that validates, tests, and deploys code changes with minimal human intervention. Test-driven development is the practice of writing tests before implementation, ensuring code quality and maintainability from the start. Refactoring and technical debt management refers to the systematic approach to improving code structure while preserving functionality. Lean product development focuses on maximizing customer value while minimizing waste. We can follow these principles for maximizing customer value. Validated learning suggests using empirical evidence from real users to guide product decisions, rather than assumptions. Minimum viable product, or MVP, means creating the smallest possible solution that delivers value and enables learning. Innovation accounting suggests measuring progress using actionable metrics that demonstrate customer value creation. This example illustrates hypothesis-driven development. High-performing Agile teams are built on a foundation of trust and open communication. Consider these practices for building strong teams. Psychological safety involves creating an environment where team members feel safe to take risks, speak up, and make mistakes without fear of punishment. Radical candor means balancing direct feedback with personal care to enable growth and continuous improvement. Collective ownership implies shared responsibility for outcomes, where the entire team feels accountable for success and quality. In today's global environment, many Agile teams are distributed across different locations. This presents unique challenges that need to be addressed. Common remote collaboration challenges include communication barriers. It is important to establish clear communication protocols and leverage multiple channels for different types of interaction. Time zone differences can be handled by creating overlapping work hours and asynchronous workflows to maintain productivity across global teams. It's also important to focus on building trust remotely by intentionally creating opportunities for social connection and shared experiences despite physical distance. As an example, consider this remote team working agreement. Agile is not just for teams, it can transform the entire organization. This is the key to enterprise transformation. 3 important considerations are leadership alignment, which means ensuring executives model Agile behaviors and create the conditions for agility to flourish throughout the organization. Structural changes, which means reorganizing around value streams rather than functional silos to optimize the end-to-end flow of customer value. Funding and governance involves moving from project-based to product-based funding models with incremental investment decisions. As we conclude this masterclass, let's outline some next steps for continuous improvement in your Agile journey. Make sure you reflect and assess by conducting regular retrospectives on your Agile practices and identify specific improvement areas. Experiment. Run small time-boxed experiments to test new approaches before scaling them. Adapt and evolve by continuously refine your Agile implementation based on empirical evidence and outcomes. Build community by connecting with other Agile practitioners to share experiences and learn together. Deepen knowledge by exploring specialized areas like technical practices, product discovery, or organizational design. Mentor others. Share your expertise by coaching teams and developing the next generation of Agile leaders. Remember, agility is not a destination, but a continuous journey of learning and adaptation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.